If you are wanting to sign up with Hostinger Cloud Hosting and you want a Hostinger Cloud Hosting discount, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger Cloud Hosting. I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money no matter what Hostinger Cloud Hosting plan you choose. You'll get a free domain name on any of Hostinger's Cloud Hosting annual plans. To get your Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger Cloud Hosting discount and also showing you the discounted amount you'll be getting once you enter the Hostinger Cloud promo code at checkout with each of the plans. I'm on the Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans page. Scroll down and you'll see 3 different Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans: the Cloud Startup, Cloud Professional, and Cloud Enterprise plan. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted here. All 3 plans come with a free domain name if you choose any of the annual plans offered on the next page. The differences in the 3 Hostinger Cloud Hosting plans is the Cloud Startup plan comes with 200 GB of SSD storage, 3 GB of RAM, and 2 CPU cores. The Cloud Professional plan comes with 250 GB of SSD storage, 6 GB of RAM, and 4 CPU cores. The Cloud Enterprise plan comes with 300 GB of SSD storage, 12 GB of RAM, and 6 CPU cores. For most, the Cloud Startup or the Cloud Professional plan will be the plan to go with. Once you choose a Hostinger Cloud Hosting plan to go with, hit the Select button. Next, scroll down to the Total section, and where it says Have a Coupon Code, click this and enter the promo code I provide in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top. You'll see the additional savings you'll be saving. Here's the discounted amount for the Cloud Startup plan. You'll get up to 68% off in Hostinger Cloud Hosting for as low as $9.29 a month. Here's the discounted amount for the Cloud Professional plan. You'll get up to 70% off and get Hostinger Cloud Hosting for as low as $17.66 a month. Here's the discounted amount for the Cloud Enterprise plan. You'll get up to 30% off in Hostinger Cloud Hosting for as low as $69.99 a month. For the Cloud Enterprise plan, no promo code is needed. The discount is automatically applied. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. You'll be able to choose your domain name after you finish checking out with Hostinger. The domain name will be free if you go with the 12-month, 24-month, or 48-month term. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger Cloud Hosting coupon discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.